Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are using blue color and subscribe to our channel. Blue color. Now we mixing blue color. Kids, first we coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we coloring the alphabet of C. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we using blue color. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we coloring G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're using blue color. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we're using blue color and draw N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we're using blue color. O for orange. The next one is P. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger, T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. And the next one is W. W for wolf. Now we coloring X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.